Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll be solving one more problem related to transaction value. The question is on the screen. Determine the assessable value and GST payable from the following. Assessable value and the transaction value. Eradu ondene. Assessable value means transaction value only. Sale price for the delivery at buyer's premises is 10 lakh rupees. So selling price is 10 lakh rupees, which includes the following. This sentence is very, very important. It includes the following components. What are those components? First is cost of primary packing. It is included, so ignore it. Freight and insurance is included, so ignore. Discount allowed. Discount should be given, so consider this particular statement. Next, commission paid. Commission paid, it is already paid, ignore. It is included. Free supplies also it is included, so just ignore it. GST rate is also included. So we have to exclude the GST first. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲು selling price ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. The actual selling price is 10 lakh rupees. But selling price includes GST. But we want excluding GST. GST include ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ GST ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, selling price, so this I will write for your understanding. Selling price ನ 100% ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ GST ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. GST ಎಷ್ಟು? 18% ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 118%. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ 10 lakh rupees ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 10 lakh rupees ಬಂತು 118%. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅದು 118% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಇದೆ, GSTನೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 100% ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ GST 18% ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು 118%. So whatever the 10 lakh rupees amount they have given to us, it is 118%. How it is 118% means selling price is 100% plus 18% GST. So that 118% they have given. We want it for 100%. So we will multiply it by 100 and divide it by 118. So 10 lakh into 100 divided by 118, we will get 8,47,458 rupees. This is the selling price, means 100%. For that, any inclusions if they have given, we need to add. Any inclusions? Illa, because it is already included. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಅಗತ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. But exclusions are there. There is certain discount given. Discount allowed. ಎಷ್ಟು? 10,000 rupees discount they have allowed. So that 10,000 we will subtract. Then we will get the transaction value of 8,37,458. 8,37,468. We will get the transaction value. Now we have to consider this transaction value in order to calculate the GST payable. ಈಗ GST payable ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this transaction value is necessary. Now the formula to calculate the output tax liability is transaction value into rate of GST. Transaction value into rate of GST. So since it is the within the state, no information is provided. We will consider it to be within the state or intrastate transaction. So we will levy CGST and SGST. CGST will be 9%, SGST will be 9%. So 9% on 8,37,458 will be 75,371 and 75,371. If you add both, you will get 1,50,742 rupees. That is our total GST payable. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem very well. If you have any doubts or queries, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. In my next video, I will come back with more problems related to the transaction value. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.